I'll fix this in post. All right, what's up, everyone? Try to not get my door destroyed. Okay, perfect. All right, you may be asking yourself, why am I holding a bowl and microfibers? I'm gonna clean my steering wheel. So, suede steering wheels, let me just put this on the floor before I spill it all over my interior. Suede steering wheels get nasty. Our hands are oily, dirty from the track, you know, drag racing, touching this, touching that, and then you get in your car, day-to-day use. You can see it's like oily. Let me just actually turn those on, get a little more light in here. Maybe that'll help too. Open my sunroof up. My keys in my pocket, but whatever. So the trick is pretty simple. A little bit of warm water. I like to use a little bit of dish soap. You can use like laundry detergent, but I like to use dish soap. And get my girlfriend's hair out of my microfibers. Don't let your girlfriend move in, guys. Their hair gets everywhere. So first towel I like to soak completely. Just nice and soaked in there. You can't see because it's in between my legs. Wring it out so it's basically just damp. A little bit more. It's still pretty wet. You don't want to soak the steering wheel. We're just trying to like clean it a little bit. Just like that, like damp, not too bad. And then just nice and easy, back and forth. Kind of get on the inside too. Don't go too nuts. The idea is to start getting it a little soaked, and then I do this. I just kind of work my way around. Just slowly getting those oils out of the suede. If the towel starts to get dry, of course, you know, re-up, soak it again and wring it out. If you have a hard to reach area, kind of just like throw it between and do one of those. This way you're not missing anywhere. My horn still doesn't work, so that's cool. I don't know how I'm going to fix that. Played around with it a little bit. Apparently there's 3 torques underneath the horn button on these, same as like Camaro. And that's how you adjust if the horn works. Because right now, whoops. It works sometimes. You have to like play with it. So I know that there's a contact point that's just missing. So we just need to mess with it a little bit. Okay. That was weird. Wringing it out again. Kind of re-up on the soapy water. I don't know if you could see in the video, but there's a lot of shiny areas that I'm gonna get rid of here, and the steering wheel should go back to its nice kind of matte finish, my nice suede finish that it should be. Probably gonna take the steering wheel apart one of these days, and I'm actually gonna have some of the interior pieces sent out to be covered in real carbon. So that'll be cool. Not too much editing to this video. This is going to be a pretty straightforward video. Not much of a tutorial either. It's pretty simple. But just showing you that you don't need some harsh chemicals. I literally put like 3 pumps of soap, maybe 3 cups of hot water. And that's excessive. Like the water's, I have too much water. But I wanted to make sure that I didn't have to go back inside the house mid-video. This is the ZL1 suede steering wheel that I have on this car. It came with the car, so old owner's greasy hands. I don't really want that, so that's why we're doing this. And just to give it a nice little clean, you know, you can wipe everything down, wipe down your buttons. It's all non-abrasive, just a little bit of Ajax or some Francis for your Deadpool fans out there. Cool. I mean, I'm not going to go too crazy here. I don't want to overwork the suede either. That's possible, and it starts to pill. So we're going to leave it at that. Close up the car, and that's it. If you got a suede steering wheel, that's the best way. That's the best way to clean it. And if you, I don't know, I had a mental breakdown there for a second. So that's the best way to clean it. Very simple. A little bit of dish soap, a little bit of hot water, microfiber. Try to stick with a towel that's dark. You don't want to use like a yellow microfiber. It's going to leave little hairs everywhere. So keep to the same color fabric, or dark to dark, light to light, and just have at it. Nice and easy. A little bit at a time. Don't soak the steering wheel. I've ruined a couple suede steering wheels, some Momo steering wheels in my time, because I soaked it and then got deformed. So just a little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of soap and water, and you got a brand new steering wheel. So I'm really stoked to see this completely dry. I'm sure it'll be in another video where you'll see that it's not all disgusting.